Guys, today we are going to see what is footprinting. Footprinting is nothing but it is a process before we are going to do any attacks or any hacking attacks on the organization. Before we are going to do some attacks, for that we will do the footprinting concept, because through the footprinting we will know the structure of the organization, we will know the how many systems they are using and what are the servers they are maintaining, what is the website and how the employees is there, and what are the security posture and how many Wi-Fi's are running. These all things we will do through the footprinting. This is about the footprinting description. So footprinting is a process of collecting information related to the target network. Whatever the information we collect, we will collect the every information before doing some attacks. It is called footprinting. So let's do. Why to perform? It's very important. To perform the footprinting, we have to do some testing. It means footprinting is the first step to the attacking side. It means the attacker first do the footprinting attack, then he gather the information to the environment, usually find the ways to break the environment. It means he will find the information to break the environment, and then footprinting, an attacker can know about the security posture of the organization. Through the footprinting, he will know the security posture of the organization, and it reduces the attacker's time and everything, whatever it may be. And it helps the reducing attacker's surface or the specific range of IP address. It means if you do not know what is the IP they are using, you have to do the entire IP scanning. So if you know the IP, what the IP range they are using, it is easy to scan the IP range and easy to find the domain names and everything. So next, it allows an attackers to build their infrastructure information database about the target organization. It means whatever the information he gathered through the footprinting, he will maintain one database and you will maintain one structure, one architecture for the organization, and how many systems, what are the employees, what the work is they are doing, present what they are doing, what is the name of the MD, and who is the manager, who is the security operation head person, and how many servers are running, what is the phone number. These all things they will do. They will gather the information through the footprinting step. So what are the terminology we use here is passive and active footprinting. It means passive footprinting means the process collecting through the publicly available resources. It means you use the WHOIS website. It means through the WHOIS website you brought some information about the organization. Through that, whatever the publicly available, you got the username, you got the website name and official email IDs and subdomains, and everything you will get through the UIs and harvesting and some other tools you use in the publicly available. This is the passive information. Passive information gathering, it is called passive footprinting. Next, active footprinting. It is nothing but whatever the information is there, you have to interact to the employee directly, and you have to do the social engineering, and you have to go to the organization, you have to do some, particularly by doing your own self in the organization. Whatever you will do directly, you will go into the organization to perform some activities in the organization to find some security loopholes. Is there anything? So this is about active information gathering. It is active footprinting. These are the things, terminologies we use in the footprinting concepts, and then we have to see what kind of information is needed. It's very important. It means first of all, what kind of information hacker needs? He needs first network information, then he needs system information, then he needs organization information. First, in the network information, he has to find how many domains, how many systems they are using, and what are the computer names they kept, what are the services they are running, is there any TCP service and is there UDP service. He has to know how many firewalls they are using, and what are the IDS are there, is there any IDS or is there an IPS, or is there what type of IP range they kept for the computers. These all things he will find in the network information. It is network footprinting. Then he goes to the system information. While you are doing the network footprinting, you have to find you will find that what are the groups they have kept for the systems, and what are the banners and the routing tables information, and system architecture, how the system architecture, and what is the remote system names they kept. So these all things he will find in the system information footprinting step. Then to the organization information, what the employees they are doing, and what are the employees details and organization website details, location, address, phone number, and everything. It comes to the publicly available, and directly he contacted and he went there and he's set there and see the security posture, and he find the Wi-Fi's and everything he will do. You'll find, and he kept one database about that organization before doing some attacks of the organization. This is the attacker first analyze the organization. He think about the organization. He do some activities before, then he will think and which way is correct. He will every poacher he will keep as a map, and he will try to attack on that organization. So how to perform footprinting? This best part. It means through search engine. Search engine means he use the WHOIS website, or he use the Kali Linux WHOIS command and type the website name, and you will find the official phone number or official email ID, and when the domain is started, or when it is going to register, when it is going to expire. These all things you will find. And next you will find the subdomains to the Multigo and Orchestra and any other thing. What are the subdomains and how many applications they are running, or what is the official email ID they are using. These kind of things they will find. So the search engine means Google and Mozilla Firefox, whatever it may be. Whatever the search engine, it may be Yahoo or the Bing or the DuckDuckGo or the Google. But he is to find the information about that particular organization. What is his target? Next, he will search in the social networking. It means is their organization maintaining any Facebook account or not. If it is maintaining the Facebook account, he's try to send the request to that page. If he accepts the admin, he will get some more information. How many employees is there? What is their picture? Well, we can see the pictures. We can see the contact details. We can see the email IDs and everything he will send. He can use the LinkedIn account. He can go to the Twitter account. These are the things he will go, and he will find the information about that organization and the employees. And the next, through official website, it means he will use the official website, what they are running the website. He find the director name, official email ID, what the phone number, and many things he will find there. To do the social engineering, he has to find these all things. Some information through the official website also. And directly communicating with the target means, is there any employees there? He has to do the social engineering. Means he will do the friendship with that employee, and he try to do more friendship, and he try to get the information about the organization. He has to do these things. And then through the job portal, this is very important. What that organization needs, is there requirement any job needed, on if job is needed in that organization, on which base, which service they required. It means they are using any programs, they are using any projects, what project it is, and which the project belongs to what category. These all things he will know through the job portals. And next, the DNS enumeration, domain name system enumeration. Through that he will find the domain name, servers and hostings, and so many things he is to find. This is about to perform the footprinting methods, and we are going to see, if you will skip the footprinting part before going to attack on the any organization, what will happen. It is severe. It means if you, without planning anything, if you are going to do, it definitely goes to the time. It will take the time, and you are going to the fail. Or if you are going to success, it will take much time. Before going to attack, every hacker must do the footprinting method. If he skip, he has to face so many problems, because by doing some sophisticated tools, he will not be a successful person to successful on that attack. So he has to do some social engineering attack and footprinting attack and enumeration part and scanning. These are all things he has to do, and then he will get some information and he do attack on that organization. Then he will know what is the security posture of that organization, and where is the weakness is available, what is the phone number, and which database they are running, is they updated or not, how many systems they are using licensed versions or genuine versions or not. If they are using the pirated versions, it is easy to hack the systems, and is there any Wi-Fi is hackable or not. These all things we have to find this. So if you skip the footprinting, you have to skip these all things, whatever we discussed just now. So directly going, that is not correct. So we have to do the social engineering. We have to find the username, passwords. We have to find the person name and phone number. We have to maintain one password list, and we maintain one different type of password list, and we have to do the brute force attack on the username password section of that organization, which if it is running any applications on a company. So these are the things we have to find the footprinting part. So when the attacker is there, he is trying to hack the website or the organization, definitely we'll do the footprinting part, and then only you will get the success. So thank you for watching my channel, guys. Please subscribe my channel and share and like me, because whatever I am doing, I learned and I am doing, I am sharing the entire knowledge to you. If you have any doubts, please comment me and I will answer you very quickly. So thank you for your support.